Hello, everyone. So this is a quick video regarding recapitalization, and we'll focus on changes on par value as well as share splits or reverse splits. So recapitalization, it refers to the change in the capital structure of an entity brought about by the cancellation of old shares and issuance of new shares as replacement. No? So dito tayo sa ating share split. Pag sinabi nating split up, so old shares are canceled and replaced by a larger number of new shares, but with a reduced par value. Pag sinabi naman nating split down, bababa yung number of shares, pero tataas yung ating par value. But take note that the total shareholders' equity will not be affected. Okay? It will only affect two things: the number of outstanding shares and the par value per share. Ulitin natin. Pag split up, tataas yung number of shares, bababa yung par value. Pag split down, bababa yung number of shares, tataas yung ating par value. Now let's go to our example. Alrighty. So an entity has 20,100 par issued and outstanding shares, after which the entity issued 2,000 shares at par. How much will be the increase in share capital under each independent scenario? Unang-una, ano muna yung nangyari sa ating par value as well as number of shares? In this scenario, 20,000 would now be times 3. Right? So 60,000. And the par value would go down because the total par value would still be 200,000 or 20,000 times 100, and then divide it by the number of shares. So the par value would now be 33.33. So bababa yung ating par value, dadami yung ating number of shares. Next, the entity declares 1-for-2 share split. So that would be 20,000, bababa ngayon yung ating number of shares. So divided by 2. And then our total par value would still be the same, but the par value per share would increase to 200. And then for the adjustment of par value, it would be the same. So the total par value would be the same as of now, pero 50, and then ito naman 100. What I mean to say is the number of shares would be the same. So 20,000 and then 20,000. Ayan. So now that we know the revised par values of each of these equations, we simply multiply it by the 2,000 shares at par. So our share capital will increase by 66,666.67, 400,000, 100,000, and 200,000. So that concludes our video regarding recapitalization. In our next video, we would now focus on book value per share and earnings per share. Bye-bye.